Thanks for checking out the IDH182, the Bosch 18-volt EC Brushless socket-ready impact driver. And this is it, the IDH182. It features a EC Brushless motor for 2 times the motor life of over brush tools. And it's a more compact motor as well as more efficient for better performance. The tool also has the innovative socket-ready chuck. The socket-ready chuck takes a 1/4-inch hex bit and also a 1/2-inch socket, so you don't have to worry about switching between tools right on the job. Also has 3 LEDs built on the front end for working in dark environments, a quick access belt clip, as well as the performance control system. That's 3 speed settings at the highest 1,650 inch-pounds of torque, the highest in its class, and the lowest setting designed for driving small fastener screws without worrying and damaging them. The tool itself works completely within the Bosch flexible power system, 18-volt slim packs, and fat packs, all generations. The IDH182 is available in a number of different kits: slim packs, fat packs, combo kits with other power tools, as well as a bare tool, so you can build your own kit how you want. And if you want to learn more about the IDH182, check out this page, or feel free to learn more about the different 12-volt and 18-volt Bosch cordless power tools.